videos, you think talking bits aren't that interesting. So I'm gonna make this really short. Welcome back to another video, guys. I got a dirt bike. Nolan got his dirt bike. We're gonna do some dirt bike riding. Nolan's riding Bumblebees, so I'm gonna go try to find him. See if we can get some epic drifting action here. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Holy crap, it's bumpy. Sorry for the camera shaking, it's really bumpy back here. But, yeah. So we're gonna get to dirt biking, but, alright. You teared up that grass. Might be kind of hard to do this trail with one hand. I'll try it. Going up the hill climb, but we gotta kind of figure out the trail a little bit because the turns are a bit hard. So yeah, we'll cut to that. Hill climb. You can probably hear Nolan. Nolan's going first. Since we can't really go that fast through here because it is a hill climb, I'm gonna try to keep up with them. So he has to go up that hill first. So I'm gonna stand about right here so I can see him, but at the same time I don't want him to hit me. So hopefully he doesn't like kill it because that he could be in first. He missed the turn. Okay, need some work. Yeah. Oh.
This turn is way too
Here,
tight.
you can like try to get going down the hill and start it like that, or you could keep going. You could push it up to the flat area.
I'm gonna push it.
Here. Nolan's trying it on my dirt bike because mine's smaller. See if mine will fit. And yeah, I gotta get going. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Probably got through where it was. He got through here good. He just gotta get up there now. So yeah. Hey! You got it.
Barely.
But you still got it. Surprised you took that last turn good. So hopefully the quality was good. See you when we get back to the house. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna see how Tyler's doing. But also I'm gonna show off the bikes a little bit because you better see them. Mine's a Kawasaki 65. Got a stock seat, this, got some cool handlebars, and got some, it's pretty nice. And then Nolan's is the Kawasaki 85. He got kind of the same levers as me. His is a lot bigger than mine. And yeah, it's definitely bigger and a lot faster.
His 65 is my old 65.
Yeah. He had that one, then he got this one, so yeah, I bought that one. So yeah, see how Packers are doing.
All right, guys. So Josh is coming on his 65 right here. We built a new trail. Josh is right here. See how he does. You got it?
So close.
What?
So close.
Yeah. What gear were you in?
First.
First?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a dog. How are the dogs are out? All right, guys. So Josh is on a 65 right now. We built a new trail here. Let me get through here a little bit. See how he does on it. It's kind of like a hill climb, and the turns are really sharp, and it's filled with trees. So it's a challenge. See how he does. Oh, you got it? Yeah. Keep going. There you go. Yeah. First time I've seen him make it.
keep as I can. No one's going back on the 65. I might be able to convince them to get the 85. You'll probably be able to do it again. He's speeding. He's speeding. He is flying. You are flying, brother. Dude, you are flying.
All right, guys. So Josh is going for his second attempt on his 65. I did it twice on his. I went through pretty smooth. He's coming right now, so let's see how he does. Can't see him. Oh, there he is. All right, I think he's got it. Oh. Oh. Got it. Yeah, there we go. Nice. How was that?
I like the first one better, to be honest, because on that I always struggle on that one turn.
Yeah.
That turn sucks, but the other ones were actually fine.
Yeah. You looked good that time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta try to get my feet on the pegs most of the time because I'm kind of like going like this.
That's fine.
It's fine, yeah, but like if you could do it with pegs, that you're a pretty good driver.
Yeah. I try to do it with the pegs. It's kind of hard.
Yeah, you'd have pretty good. The only person that could do that was you, that Tomek.
For him, this would be like nothing.
Yeah, and if he had a 450, I don't think that would fit.
No way.
Imagine like one of those. I'm just imagining like one of those big riders on this thing. It'd be so.
Yeah. So what are your thoughts on it right now?
I actually like it. It's actually
it's
like
a lot better.
Yeah, like what we did, it helps a lot. But like the main thing, I try to build a hard track for me to do, so I could increase my driving and turning a little bit. But actually, the hill climb is really fun. And that log is fun.
Yeah, that log is gonna help.
Yeah.
Like with obstacles.
You know, if you ever do enduro. So what do you want to do? You want to go again?
I think I'm good.
All right. I'm gonna take it.
Do you wanna try that big hill over there?
No.
No. It's not that hard. I mean, where do you want me to go in the field and record you a little bit?
Wait, I think you can record me. No, well, unless you got in the golf cart. Here, you can drive this if you want, but I'm gonna put it in the garage.
Oh, all right.
You gotta record me drifting on that thing.
Where? Like
in the
back
field,
here?
back here, anywhere really.
All right.
But oh no, it'd be hard to drive and record on that bumblebee.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go out here.
All right.
I've gotten pretty good at putting it in gear. I'm doing it first try, man.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you over there. About to hit a jump that him and his friend Tyler built. He's coming right now. I'm gonna show you the jump. So it's not very big, but focus. It's not very big, but it's a jump. First jump here. And you can see the little wood there. Kind of help shape it a little bit. So let's see how he does. He's coming right now, it looks like. Yeah, he's going down. All right, let's see how he does. He should come through right there. There he is. He's gonna go back there and then come and hit this. There he goes. Oh. It kind of just kicked he didn't really hit it right. He kind of hit it right over in this area, and it kind of shot him weird. So if he hits it like over here, it should be good. think he's gonna hit it with a little more speed.
To be honest, going off the jump is probably easier than going. He landed right there. He went far. You went far, bro. Guys, look for a chipmunk that comes out of his stall right here, right? I'm pretending to be Karen. So I'm pretending to be a Karen and he's a Formula rider. You're being recorded! Hey, you better get off my property right now, sir. Hey! Ooh, bad mother. I'd like to warn you I have a bat. I don't know what I'm supposed to drive with. Yeet. Brad B. American. America. This is America. It is not a free country. Hey. Why don't you ride in your lawn?
Because my lot's too small.
Well, maybe you could have asked.
You would have said no.
You're being recorded. I'm telling you to the cops. Hey! Okay, you can ride on this, but if you go in my trails, I'm gonna beat you. Okay, cops, he's fine. He's not gonna go on my trails or anything. He's just gonna ride. Okay, where's he going? Hey, that's my property. I said you could ride the field. Hey, 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 hey. Where is he going? He's going to the trails. Cops, police. You're going too fucking slow. Oh shit. Proud to be an American. Fuck, dude. Me. But yeah, Nolan's 85. It's not out of gas. He just parked it there. My 65's out of gas. So we're getting gas for it. Come on. 65, 85. Let's go look at it. He better not be on my trails. Hey, I said no riding on my trails. My kids ride back here. He drives. Yeah, he does Razor. But you better not be tearing it up back there. I'm gonna call the cops. My kid's a wimp. My.
Follow me?
Huh?
You want to follow me somewhere?
I'll beat you in a race. This little stupid little joker who thinks he can ride on my property is trying me to race. Beat him in a race any day. My golf cart goes 200 miles an hour. It's basically a Bugatti. Is he trying to roast me? Oh my god. What, did he build a track in my backyard? Holy crap. He built a literal track in my backyard for his dirt bike. Yeah, that's right, police. He has a dirt bike too, and he rides it back here. And it's so inappropriate. I am sick of it. I am sick of it. I'm gonna beat him. I'm beating him in the race. Look, I'm wrapping him. Literally, he's literally, like we said, 3 laps. I'm on the second one. He's still on the first one. He's still coming. He's still back there. He's on the first one. I'm really lapping it. They said 2 laps, so I just gotta finish this. Oh, wait. Easy, please. Squeeze. Oh, yeah, I won. What a loser. Kevin beat me, and he has a funny time. Look at, see, police officer, look, he has that dirt bike, and his friend is riding, and his friends and him are riding in my backwoods, and I am sick of it. Look at it, it's so ugly. Both of them are super flipping ugly. I hate those stupid bikes. I'm just kidding, by the way, they're the best bikes ever. But then the Karen hates dirt bikes because she thinks they're bad for the environment. Even though 2-stroke is kind of bad for the environment. Doesn't really care at this point. He thinks. I beat you! What the flip? What is he doing? I'm calling the cops. Police officers? Yes, there is something to do. Down with that football that he left in my yard yesterday, playing with him and his friends. It's illegal. What is he doing? What is he doing? Where is he? He's right there. I see him. I can get him with the football. Hey! Get off my property! Wee! Life isn't that simple, little punk. Life isn't that simple. Life isn't that simple. Life could be dreamy, but it wasn't dreamy for you, little punk. Life could be dreamy. I can't go down. I can't go down there, Nolan. Oh, what a little tricker.